I've got my March Ipsy OG bag. So if you want to see what's inside, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy and it's over there. You won't be able to see him because I'm sitting actually on just a bench. And Chloe and Dexter are in the other room. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So Ipsy has now named this, I think, like their OG bag or Ipsy Original, and they have made some changes. So what they're doing now is instead of you choosing one item for your bag, you actually are going to choose from 3 collections. So I will show you the collections that I had to choose from. And I don't know if everybody gets the same choices. And then we'll go over. So I had a little bit of a difficult time choosing because there was stuff that I wanted from this bag and from this bag and from this bag, but you can only choose one. So I don't know if everybody has the same choices or not, but these were just the choices that were offered to me. We're going to go over the bag first. It has a pretty little sun tag, and then if you can kind of make out there is a printed, it's just brown on brown, but a sunflower. All right, so there are sunflowers all over it. So very nice. I like the design. Inside it is just plain, no fancy lining. There is a card that goes over everything in the bag. So let's go over what is in mine. The first thing that I'm pulling out is by Nue, N-U-E. This is the Skin Filter Serum. It has 1% retinol, 6.5% AHAs. This is 10 milliliters or 0.34 fluid ounces, so not a huge one. The full size of this at 30 milliliters is 65, so we have about a third of that. So not a bad value here. At least $20 value, which, I mean, it's pricey. Next, from Olivia Uma, is their Pudding Calm Everyday Cream. It has aloe vera, ceramides, and panthenol. And I do have the full size of this. This is 0.33 fluid ounces or 10 milliliters. And it's an overnight mask that's going to resurface, hydrate, and repair tired skin. And you just wash it off in the morning or leave it on for 10 minutes and wash it off. The full size of this at 50 milliliters is $42. Next, by Ola Neon, I have the Tinted Lip Drip in the shade Gloss Me. This is a full size and it has an MSRP of $21. So I think I chose the hydration bundle, I think it was called. And then here is what it shows as how it's going to look. Typically, I find these to be pretty sheer, which is fine for me for every day. Next, by Dallas & James, is the Watermelon Dreams Overnight Glow Mask. It's a hydrating watermelon, antioxidant superfruit, cloudberry, moisture locking, hyaluronic acid, and pore refining alpha hydroxy acid. This is a half of an ounce or 15 milliliters. Full size of this at $50 is $42. Isn't that what the what? Oh, the Olivia Uma one for 50 milliliters was $48. This is $42. And then last in here, and I think this was why I chose this, is the e.l.f. Cosmetics Halo Glow Blush Beauty Wand in Magic Hour. You can kind of see the color on there. It's a liquid highlighter. It has that little puff on the bottom. So this is probably a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury and Tarte ones. And it says it's going to give a luminous sheen that looks lit from within and never glittery. Now, if you are a member currently, they do have an Anastasia Beverly Hills edit. It is $157 value, and I believe it's $49.99. That's what you're going to get. And there are some sneak peeks for the Ipsy Original products are coming soon to bring your glow into focus. So I guess these are maybe sample sizes. There is the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Blurring Balm in Flushed, the Sol de Janeiro in 76, and the Dr. Jart Ceramidin Skin Barrier Moisturizing Mask. So here are some sneak peeks. I'm going to guess this is next month, and we'll see. These may be 3 different boxes. I doubt they're all in the same, but I'm excited to see what that's going to look like. And I will probably get whatever one has the Sol de Janeiro, even though I believe I have this in a fuller size. Everybody loves it, and so it's a great gift. Okay, so that is my Ipsy Original. What are your thoughts? Do you like how they're doing it now? I kind of do. I kind of am a little bit happier with how they're doing it now because I can pick a collection. There may be 1 or 2 things that I really would prefer in that collection over another. That's how I pick it. But I do think overall, I feel like you have a little bit more control over what you're getting. So if you don't like eyeshadow, you're not going to pick the one with eyeshadow. If you don't like brow products, you're not going to pick that one. You can pick one that doesn't have it. All right, well, that's all I have for now. Please let me know your thoughts, and please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.